Legal battle over the Packers Heritage Trail continues. The city is now asking for the suit filed by Packers Heritage, Inc. to be dismissed. Plans to build luxury apartments on the corner of North Washington Street and Cherry Street led the city and the Packers to agree to move the trail statues from their old location. Both sides were working toward that agreement in October, but has not happened. If the lawsuit is not dismissed, the city is asking for a jury trial. Packers have not commented on the city's request to dismiss the lawsuit.